Hey man, I think you should probably get that checked out. What? Okay, dude, I can't handle this anymore. We're going to the doctor's. Okay, Gerald, your results are in. And as I can see, your coughing has subsided. Thank goodness. Thank you again, Doc. What do the results say? Well, the good news is, you're not gonna die. That's a relief. Yet. What? Gerald only has 2 weeks to live. He is suffering from a highly rare and lethal disease that affects your respiratory system. What? That's impossible. He's never had any significant problems before. Why is this happening now? This disease is normally hereditary and can lie dormant in families for generations, though it is odd that it is only appearing now in his life. Are you serious? Come on, you gotta do something. There's gotta be some sort of medicine or a treatment or something. I'm sorry, but we can't do anything except prescribe medications. That's just impossible. What can... No, Dave, let's just go home. Hey man, I gotta stop by the store on the way home. Is that okay with you? Yeah, I guess. I can't believe this. It just doesn't make sense. Why this? Why now? I really don't know, man. I guess we're just gonna have to take each day one step at a time. Yeah, I guess. You know, there's a lot of things that I'm gonna miss in this world. Like Skinny Pop. Or, books or video games and school. Especially you, man. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that, man. And I can imagine that this is something that's really hard to cope with. What about your family? Oh my God! My mom and dad, how am I gonna tell them? They're gonna be so heartbroken. And my little sister. How are they gonna tell her? She looks up to me so much. And I don't even think I'm gonna get to see them. What am I gonna do? Hey man, it's gonna be okay. You have plenty of time to see your family and spend time with them. Now come on, let's get out of here so you can go call them, alright? No, it's not okay. There's nothing I can do and I'm not gonna be able to see them. Hey man, listen. Hello? Uh-huh. I see. Really? That's great news. Thank you so much. Jared, that was the doctor. He said you're gonna be fine. No, it's not okay. He said I'm gonna die. No, Jared, it's okay. He said he got the test results mixed up and you just have an upper respiratory infection. What? Really? That's amazing news!